We only have one Earth, and we're growing as a community and as a nation and as a world.
Moab gets visited by millions of people, so we have the opportunity to lead by example and bring together a community that is thriving.
Moab is a very unique destination. It's the heartland of some of the best outdoor lands on Earth, perhaps.
No matter how busy it is in town, a 10-minute hike in any direction and suddenly you're surrounded by wilderness and you can hear the birds, you can hear the water running.
When we think about sustainability, we think about recycling, conserving water, and growing our own food. But fundamentally, sustainability is about protecting our Earth. And here in Moab, we have these beautiful national parks and BLM land.
And so it's a clear reminder of how important it is to try to preserve that.
Part of sustainability is that we don't negatively impact natural processes like vegetation and wildlife. And here in Moab, we can stay on trails, leave things as we find them, and pack out our waste, and that gives the natural environment an opportunity to thrive.
I'd say looking at Moab as being an isolated community and a small community is a short statement. We're actually a worldwide community. We're seeing tourists come in from around the world. So we're meeting those challenges of a high flux tourist base head on. And we're meeting those with great accomplishments. So we're not the tiny little community that's been left behind. We're the little community that's going to lead the way.